Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you around the Garden of the Morning Calm, and it's the lighting festival, so I'm going to show you around how it looks like during this time, during winter time. Cool.
Carlo went to the bathroom. So right now we are at the morning of the So right now we are at the Garden of the Morning Calm, and there's not a lot of people, which is good. So we're waiting for the lighting show to start. Yeah.
Like it here. There's no color.
I like the color. Black.
Where? It's nice like this. Alright, she's gonna go to the Hwajangshil again. Hey guys, if you're watching this video, thank you very much. Welcome to the KK Life channel. We just feature Korea stuff and Asia stuff over here. And right now we're here at the Garden of the Morning Calm, and we're waiting for 5 o'clock because at 5 o'clock the lighting show is gonna start. It actually happens during winter time. I think it starts late November, I think, or December, something like that, because every season the Garden of the Morning Calm has something in store for everyone. The problem is during winter time there's really nothing except for snow, but it doesn't snow all the time. There was snow like a couple days back, like Friday, but not so much, but there was some covering and all that stuff. So what they do is they install like lighting fixtures on the plants and all that. So at night there is a lighting show, and beautiful lights is basically the main attraction during winter time. But for this year they're going to end it on the 31st of March. So today is the 26th or 27th, so we still have a few days before the lighting show ends, which is cool because we get to experience the lighting show at the garden right now. So it's technically already springtime. Winter time ended last week and started I think on the 21st. So right now the garden is pretty bare so far. You'll actually get to see some plants that are being that are growing. I think they just planted those are for springtime, and we've been here before during fall, and it was beautiful, like majestic, and a lot of flowers and all that, so that was cool. But wintertime you don't really get to see anything. This used to have a lot of leaves, red leaves if I remember correctly. I think I wanted to take photos here. But now it's like this. It's no leaves at all, right? It fell during fall. So what we're gonna do right now is just wait. The time right now is almost 5. Yeah, it starts at 5. So we got a map. Oh, Kim is already here. Let's go. We got a map. I think it's good to have a map. It's free. The map is free. So the map is free, and we're not gonna tour the whole place because my wife is pregnant, so she's gonna be tired walking the whole place. It's quite a spacious area. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go to the highlights, and there are numbers over here. Man. So this says Sunken Garden is number 8. I think that's the farthest. So our plan is to go to the farthest and just walk the way back. What? Cold? Tired? You tired you walking there? Okay, just walk just walk relaxed only. Alright, they're trying to they're already planning for springtime.
Magla-live ka naman.
Sure.
May light na.
So they're planting those. Are those lavender? They have those and tulips. So as you can see, the harmonies are planting these. These are for springtime. I think there's a lighting fixture here for later. So as you can see, it's quite bare, except for these, of course, because they're starting to plant. So you can actually come here earlier and just, stay at the Good Morning coffee shop over there, or there's a restaurant over there. There isn't so much food. I mean, it's just like a bowl of bibimbap or like, soup, jjigae. And there's a store over there. If you have, they also have a nursing area. If you have an infant that you need to feed. So as you can see, there are nice areas like here. We're gonna go here at the Sunken Garden, number 8. This is the map. So number 8 is there. So this one, the Sunken Garden, that's where we're going. There you go. Hello, friend. There's nothing much over there. So again, you can get this map for free at the front. Man, let's fix this thing. They're cleaning. 2-minute countdown. We have to go there. It's over there. What?
Bakit ganun? Kahit hindi siya... Dahil siguro sa kulay ng trees.
Ano?
Spring or fall.
Oh. So it's still nice, even if it's not
Oo, pag summer... Love, dyan ka lang. 1, 2... Feeling ko pag summer lang pangit. Hindi yung pangit, pero feeling ko dull siya kapag summer.
You have to go there up. So this is the Sunken Garden. So it's nice here. It's gonna happen soon.
Kinley.
Where? This one?
Sunken Pan.
Alright, those are gonna light up later. So this is the place. As you can see, there's really nothing. It's bare over here. It's just black circles and stuff. But this is the place where you get to experience the actual lighting place. This is the main attraction, I think. That's a good place to take a photo. And also that over there, that's iconic over there, the tree over there. Oh! We saw it happen. Because it's not dark yet. Later, if it's there's still a lot of light, but it's already lighting up, as you can see. So it's exactly 5 o'clock, and there's some lights happening over here. This is gonna be beautiful at night, even more when the sun goes down. It's like a fairy tale land, though. You like it? No, look, oh. I think I like it there, oh. No, look at here. Look, just like that.
Is that it?
She doesn't like it so much yet because there's still light. What do you think?
I think you have to wait for the sun to go down, because it doesn't really look that pretty right now.
Like not compared to the
Compared to
photos
yes.
and the videos that we see. Maybe a little bit. Maybe like 5:30 or something like that. A little bit in sundown. When the sun goes down, it's still up. I can still see like light from the horizon, or what do you call that? The tree line. What's nice though is that when you're here at the end of winter and like towards the end of the lighting festival, then there's really not a lot of people. So you get to enjoy the views with just a few groups. So I think that's a plus. So I guess like the lights really make up for the missing color. Because hey, you know, it's winter time. What do you see in winter time except if there's snow? But right now there's no snow. And although it's already springtime, like what I said, you don't really expect flowers to bloom right now. You don't even have cherry blossoms. Oh, cherry blossoms right there. But we don't really have cherry blossoms right now technically, because you know it's not until the first to second week of April. Stream. It's very calming. Tingnan natin. I don't know.
Where did you go in Yaya? Only in that.
It's getting colder. It's getting colder. It's warm. I said we weren't gonna go here, but Kim needs to use the 화장실 toilet, so yeah. So we're here, just walking around. Pretty cool place. This is the filming location for one of the dramas by Park Bo-gum and Kim Yoo-jong, Moonlight Drawn by Cloud. So if you've watched that, then this place might be familiar. Awesome. As you can see, no leaves. It's pretty bare. Oh. So we're just walking and waiting for sunset to happen. Hi. So sunset is gonna happen by 6:47 and it's 6:15, so we have about 35-ish minutes. We're waiting for the sun to actually go down so that it's nice right now. Look. Yeah. So that you can actually see the lights happening. So it's nice here. It's like Baguio. Did we go to Baguio? Oh yeah, we have. Pine trees, very nice. All right, we wore our bonnets and our scarves. It's not really too cold, but you know, we just want to keep warm. Hey, look at this, balls. Look at that. Who knew that's gonna look nice? Oh, see? It's nicer now. Very nice. Wow.